amount for mommy and kana men's good papa no ye hero. Why ye style fucking Nanapia, why ye star brutal is powerful hero. Now the person is mentioning the name and radio by radio and TV station by TV station and social media by social media is Nanapia Asale. No, I don't know say or the Nanapia Asale or the real name is Apia, but I'm no say it's Nanapia. Why ye hero brutal. Even Ghana krana yetina ye small brasta for so omo kobobo ma o man no. Ai omo nyina akoya ye ka omo asem ye yi Ghana film no nanka me expect sen ka bia ka blaster for ba ka bia nipa ba titwi akwakosia okwan. Ti I know say one security person come out and speak say blaster for here bambo. No. Ghana sa wo sha ana wo ji bibia ye botwi be hia wo. But say ye be baba ye basabasa ye de intimacy. But look at the Nanapia. The one person like if that from Dubai come down to Ghana, everybody mentioned the name. Radio station, TV station, all the station by station, radio and TV and social by social media, social welfare, every place mention the guy in him. Nanapia, you are hero. You are hero. You are hero. Everybody say hero. One say, I'm died today. I'm dead today. I'm a hero. We are hero. You are hero. I'm telling you truth. Tell you truth. You are hero. Will be a bolding. Who free Dubai ban ye ma commentary to say the bobo. To say the brasta bobo, to say the kotoko bobo. Ye the information by information. From time we say wutu. Ye te one some social in the media and social warfare. At no radio by TV. Even baby a wutu wiem. So we yet transit to so we deny amubu fu e wo wiem nyina no. Ye ban ho commentary many people who say Nanapia is coming Ghana. A xylophone director. What a name. What a trending. Now, Mr. Nana, wabano. Shine your eyes. Mawani naho. Mawani en naho. Mawani naho. Na min says here the wani ataho. Because nipa bebre bimbian talent out so moro. You know one kasa personal body no, but you do sika. Into your benwa, when say, oh, these people's like me. Oh, I love you. Some people's is like the media side. There some people's is like a buying side, in parliament side. You are no saying sound for even football side in Nano. You if yet Ghana and you say what sunny oh. What's media mammy yada was over sunny sin for say be what Jessica dia too. Say you find your production because ye sin one who say e kele ntu kuta story nkwa dia bra na beje e yesika ne fatwasini. What a man. Sebi ye wade fo wasika fo kromia but we now take his about decision to yourself. Are you understanding me? Ti waba mo wani na ho. Waba mo wani na ho. Ana sisi ansoso menim se wadwene mo abie sebi wo hunu nipa. Na wo twedi ampo nyankopon basagi adom pese nipa enso hweto na hunu nipa na pefo so no mahwie gu a uhunu se de obesi bia hyehye no na biem waba but Ghana de hye no musika egu men's good bang ho no bi ma fa ho se bi ewu stroke atete bi ma bi mu yare no na napia menim se waye nkunimdi for dada because ye yi ukura no charge ya yesade bebo wo enyeze we aggressive talk charge aye de bebo wo you know somebody take different case and come and attack you but don't so what said in kunim me buy mate say ye de wako e de ya Ghana from pain for so say yetimi hwehwe wonsem kakra but wo free Ghana ha ene course ha Dubai ho Ufri Ghana ene ko Dubai ho ansa na Dubai for timi akoche wo de wahye ho and the sia was about back to Ghana. Meaning say the am paying for ye bibia Ghana this year so say yes so to anamo. But the me say nyame boa na bibia setra. Hwe Ghana this year so bibia beto no. Na emom so se paying for so be ma okwan. Am wotimi aye adwuma wo krom ha. Paying for be ma okwan. Ama men's gold no so asa urania. Se paying for be dwene no ma bia hu say youth no so ye adwuma. Na emom no sebio ade ebetimi di basabasa ya ba ene ntotoye ne se bia bedu mebi no ekoni ebetimi egu no esrempen for say omo fa yie ntu ba bia yie da ne bibia nye successful and humble na Ghana de se ho toye tenana apia wa badia esiusi ma mebi na ka wose aduane na esiwo na esiusi o esimusi mo ba bedi amumedi na ma amedi ade kye no anam sa de bebre mo timuni na mfiri wo enti e ka na esiusi wa ba no wa ba but de me so ne se ma wani na ho ma wani na ho kofo bebre ben wa bra ne mfaso bi eni so kofo bebre ben ne mfaso bi eni so I'm tell you truth bebre ye omo so mo do ye pewase mama but na enye no kre bebre firi aban mo bai see ye pewase mama nanso ye reject o. Are you understand me? Ye won kofo bebre o ma hu om so o mo ye powerful stars o nkofo de o mo ye powerful stars kofo de o mo ye painful o mo respect o mo me jo mo di assemble o metimi akabia ma but wo no ma hwe gu ye bro no ma hwe gu ye ohun de meka. Are you understanding me? Yo was some kofo bebre a wa be yesa de ho be fefalo na na pia de wa madamfo mene ne koba na na sesesese wo mom bebe ofie ebia se ne se nyame ya ado na ba bia wakoyi yetimi yi uma wo be fia wo be hu ni nipa bebe fi na se wo ko no se bi o se wo de oyere ko ya anampo sa wo yere wo krom ya ana wo yere ko tena ba bi de different but busa wo yere se wo yere tena krom ya de busa yere se wo ko nipa dodo sei ene frɛ no busa nse ne ho te sei ni padodo say ene busa we aggressive talk we Moscow scantan engragaga aggressive talk busa say ni padodo say ne timi frɛ wo yere ka kire ne say oh mommy ete say nyuma kura wo bie bebre no kura no bebre kura kan nsɛm wo akire na boy ne de se mesi nipa te se huruye sanko fo no so e kasa bebrebe no so omo so ni pomba be hia wo airport ye show love to you ye mo say ye do ye mo say ye pewasem but na akomam no you hate you hey nipa bia bejimi agro but wo mpe na wo nipa bia ope bejimi agro nenso wo mpe na wo. To what bay you nana mesro? I know you. Minim say wo no your action. What you say na wo ye premani. Ye si pay for say ni sika ni tipani premani. Ba wo no wo sika. Ba wo say premani. Why say reverend obofo no? Wo sika but wo say premani. Naturally, enye sika ni tipani premani but wo ye sika. Ana wo say premani. Mami hu prema level. Let me see your premier level. Let me see your premier level. May I'm tell you truth. I'm tell you fact. I'm love you from my bottom of my heart. And you be entra. Me powasem keke. So you nana pia kra be chem kra. You are chem kra. You are like it's not much. I know say you are the same age group. Okay, obuoma se be no susanso no wanyini. Ohun sa no. Because so but no wanyini. We said we are boa ponche a wukunu a ade se o de ken egunu hu na ade one be say 2 days asa kotodwe no na ntwe kotodwe no wo na apia na mo sa no wa so o kye ame kwa me o munyini da o ye oba nso so anko ye akosu ajapo a o munyini da de bio bo hu nanim ketekete de bio na so age no asa asrewa de bia so o ginem 24/7 nyame asomdwe nka we aggressive talk we Moscow scantan engragaga interview. We aggressive talk. We Bruce Conton Scantan and Gragaga aggressive talk. Ghana phone na meti obi a onya daje na hwe me. onyame asomdwe eno ontra me nchi akese ma Ghana for ma dollars wo eye Canada me don chia ma onura ma de mu odin me chia abroach of Canada, France, Turkey, Germany, Australia, Dubai, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, and a guy for a more Dubai. I'm gonna nipa 80 more one room, I'm frame in no. Nyame bless mo. There's some prem video ho. We say me di ka kohwe, we say me di ka kohwe. Me chia obi bia. Jaw Industries. Dr. Manfred, Dr. Harry, Dr. Surgeon. Me chia obi bia. Ma Vida, better. Mama ye, Mama Devin, Mama Hofe. Ma nyame bless you no nyokese. I'm love you. I make kiss you. Hey, mu ye me taste. We ye mo school scantan engragaga aggressive talk. Bye bye. Hey, the filler man ye. Hey.